Hey guys, it's Dr. Keen. I just wanted to give you a heads up on how to use our online textbook. I've gotten a few questions about it, and I just wanted to make sure you guys are clear on what you should be doing. You should be through chapter 1 by the end of this week, which is Friday, September 11th. So what you do is you go to your class link, and McGraw Hill right here should be an app that you have available, and that should take you to your textbook, and you'll have the student edition. You pull it up, and I told you in another announcement that you should be going through the Learn Smart. So here's the Learn Smart right here, this LS. You're gonna click on that, and then click on Smart Book. And when you do that, yours will look a little different than mine. You're just gonna go to the content here, and we're in Introduction to Human Anatomy and Physiology. So you're going to click on that, and it should take you to your text like this. And how the system works is it takes you through the material. Of course, you read it just like you do a normal textbook, but it does also highlight some areas that are more important for you to understand, and some areas that are really places where you should focus. So here's the highlighted words here that you should really be paying attention to. Of course, you're going to read through all the material, but if you don't like this highlighted version, you can just click this little highlighter down here, and that'll turn that off. If it's too big for you, you can make it smaller. If it's too small, you can make it bigger with these buttons down here. If you click here, there's a couple things it'll show you. If you click Show Coach, it'll talk about what the system does for you right there. I would suggest you listen to that. It's about 20 seconds long, and it'll help you understand how to use it. If you don't like this version where you just see one page, you can click this, and it'll show it to you 2 pages. But the most important part of this is you're going to be reading through this, and I know how it is. You get kind of complacent, and you just kind of start getting bored and tired with what you're reading. So every once in a while, you should come down here and click Practice, and that will start asking you questions about the information that you're looking at. So the smallest structure that possesses all the characteristics of life. Well, there's a lot of things here, and the key thing here is all of the characteristics of life. So if you think it's a cell and you know it's a cell, you're going to click I know it. If you kind of think it's a cell but you're not really sure, you're going to click Think So. If you're not really sure, you can choose one and guess, and then click Unsure. And if you really don't know, you have no idea, you would just click No idea. So let's say Think So, and we were right. So then later, you're going to keep going, and then later it'll quiz you back on some of the ones that you were unsure about or you had no idea about. It'll come back and ask you some other questions about those too. And that's good, because repetition is key on this stuff. So once you're done with that part, you don't have to go through all the questions, but once you feel like you've got a good feel on a good hold on some of that stuff, you can click Read again, and it'll take you back to the book, and you can go back to reading the book again. Now again, like I said, you should be all the way through this material by the end of the week, and we are going to have a test on this material on next Monday, September 14th. So make sure that you're looking through it, and that you're staying on top of the notes that I'm sending you as well. If you have any other questions, feel free to send me a message. Hope you have a good day.